Hello everyone, my name is Patrick O'Grady and this is English Hanoi. Well, once again, no, it's not actually English Hanoi. This is my house. And we're going, today, I think we've got a good lesson for you. We're going to be looking at some vocabulary, specifically vocabulary for the kitchen. The kitchen. So, I'm going to say a few words I'd like you to repeat after me. Let's do it. Sink. Sink. Faucet. Faucet. Dish towel. Dish towel. Bottle opener. Bottle opener. Scissors. Scissors. I want you to repeat after me. Keep going. Spatula. Spatula. Serving spoon. Serving spoon. Knife sharpener. Knife sharpener. Dish soap. Dish soap. Dish soap. Hand soap. Hand soap. Scouring pad. Scouring pad. And a sponge. Sponge. Knife. Knife. Steak knife. Steak knife. Spoon. Spoon. Fork. Fork. Bowl. 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 Plate. Plate. Coffee mug. Coffee mug. Wine glass. Wine glass. Mug. Beer mug. Mug. Grater. Grater. Kettle. Kettle. You keep saying it. Coffee press. Coffee press. Coffee press. Rice cooker. Rice cooker. Paper towels. Paper towels. Microwave. Can't see it. Microwave. Blender. Blender. Can opener. Can opener. openers. Bottle opener. Bottle opener. Colander. Colander. Saucepan. Saucepan. Or pot. Pot. Saucepan or pot. Lid. Lid. Frying pan. Frying pan. Stove. Stove. Oven. 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 Fan. Fan. Cupboard. Sorry. Door. Door. Cupboard door. I don't know if you can see that. Shelf. Shelf. Second shelf. Second shelf. Great. I hope you like that. That is the end of our lesson today. Today we worked on a few different things. There's a little bit of vocabulary for the kitchen. I hope you enjoyed what you saw. If you did, give us a thumbs up, give us a like, share it out with your friends, and I'll see you soon with some more vocabulary and some more lessons. Thank you very much, everyone. Bye-bye.
Do you need to learn English now? English Hanoi will show you how. Need a new job, want to study overseas? English Hanoi can handle all your needs. Or to improve your IELTS score, English Hanoi is who you're looking for.